angle. Okay, we have prism like this. Okay, we have prism like this. Okay, so when the refracted ray, that's going to be PQ is the incident ray, QR is a refracted ray, RS is a emergent ray. Okay, when QR is become parallel to BC, base of the prism. Okay, when this two is become parallel, QR is parallel to BC. Okay, that is the time the condition will be I is equal to E and R1 is equal to R2. Okay, so this two will be equal when the prism and the refracted ray, when the base of the prism and the refracted ray is getting parallel. Okay, this two condition will be satisfied. Okay, now that is the time our deviation. Okay, if you are drawing incident angle versus deviation, if you keep on increasing the incident angle, the deviation will come as a very least value. That's a deviation is going to become as a, first the deviation will be decreased, then deviation will be increased. The deviation is become as a minimum deviation. When the deviation is become minimum, I is become as a R. Okay, R1 is equal to R2. Same time QR is become parallel to BC. Okay, this condition will get satisfied. Once this condition is getting satisfied means we know already prism formula, A plus deviation is equal to I plus E. Okay, when the deviation is become minimum, when the deviation is become minimum, the below point of the graph, I is equal to E. Okay, so A plus deviation is become minimum is equal to I plus E means 2 times of I. This 2 it's become equal means 2 times of I. So I is equal to A plus deviation minimum divided by 2. This is what we can get the angle of incident. Now what is angle of refraction? Angle of refraction also we know already. What is that? No. A is equal to R1 plus R2. A is equal to R1 plus R2. This 2 is equal means A is equal to 2R. So what we will get R? R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. Okay. So R also I got, I also I got. Okay, next step we have to substitute inside the formula. Okay, what is the formula? We know already. It is a formula is going to be the it's a Snell's law only. Okay, sin I by sin R. So refractive index of A to G is equal to sin angle of incident by sin angle of refraction. Sin I. Sin I, what we know? It's going to be A plus deviation, minimum deviation divided by 2. Divided by sin A divided by 2, because we know the incident angle is equal to A plus deviation minimum divided by 2. Okay, it is a refracted angle is going to be A divided by 2. Okay, when this going to be happen? When the deviation is become minimum. Okay, that is the time the graph will become as a minimum. It's a equation sin I by sin R. Okay, it's a Snell's law only, I modified like this.